where my main mission is to keep you out of divorce court. So a few years ago, my wife and I were having serious intimacy issues in our marriage. The marital embrace, having sex, was just basically non-existent. I mean, we were definitely in a low sex, or I wouldn't say a sexless marriage, but we were definitely a low sex marriage. We weren't hardly making love at all, maybe once a month, or when we did make love, I mean, it was rare. I mean, she just wasn't interested. And this upset her. And of course, it upset me, but it really upset her because she wasn't used to that kind of feeling. And so, of course, we started focusing on her. Maybe she should go see a doctor. Maybe it was because she had her tubes tied or something, or earlier, or maybe it was because it was some kind of medication or something that we could give her. She had even scheduled an appointment to go see a doctor that specialized in this area, but of course, she didn't go. But so as things got worse over the months, I thought, definitely, when I started my research and trying to figure this problem out, I thought it was her. I'm thinking, hey, it ain't me. I mean, everything's fine with me. But of course, when I delved into what God was asking, when I delved into other doctors and other research, I found out that it was me. It was me that was the problem of why our sex life was basically horrible. And once we figured it out, everything became completely blissful, completely loving and intimate. And this is what I want for every man in their marriage. I believe that there's no reason for intimacy issues in marriage. If men take responsibility and do what they're supposed to do, there's no reason for sexual problems like age-related male impotency, or erectile dysfunction, or premature ejaculation, these types of things. And that's one of the reasons why I started my blog, because I wanted men to understand, having sex outside of marriage only uses the women up and it hurts them. And we as men have to learn that the power we have as men, and that if we don't use the power correctly, what'll happen is pain and misery is what happens in our society. And that is what one of the reasons why I started my blog. So I would like to bring that to you. My name is Jerry Jacobs Jr. of CatholicAlpha.com, where I help men identify their number one marriage weakness by giving them a short assessment, which drastically improves their marriage. And what I found is every man has one. What's yours?